Yes. Go ahead.
Okay. The next question is, are you allowed to add cold water or ice to hot soup to cool it down on Shabbos?
Yes. Yeah. There is no problem. So, yeah. Yeah. First of all, soup is already in a second vessel, or sometimes a third vessel, right? Um, some guys who used to learn with us, so they decided to go their own way. They send me this 15 questions every day. Not every day, but from time to time. So one of the questions was about ladle, right, that you put. So we said that I'm just going to give you summary since you're present there. So I told the person, look, you want all of this question. If it's your personal question, I can answer. But if all of this question, just join the class and right, and we're going to answer. So basically, the ladle, right? It depends on how you use it. So if you submerge in a soup for a long time, soup, in a pot where it was cooked in a primary vessel. So this ladle becomes like a primary vessel, right? And when you put in your plate, like you pour the soup in the plate, so your plate is a secondary vessel, right? And secondary vessel. So meaning what? So you cannot put the breadcrumbs or something on top or like on the bottom and then put the soup because it would not be allowed, right? Or matzah or something. So you would be allowed to pour the soup and then add this add the crackers or whatever you want to add to the soup, right? Because there is a cooking after cooking, and cooking after baking and baking after cooking. Right, that's Ashkenazi custom. Sephardic, I don't think they accept this. They go leniently, but that's what it is. But if you don't submerge the ladle, you just take soup and then put it on a spoon rest, right, until you get second plate. So the minute that the ladle would cool down between the pouring, right. So then the ladle is a secondary vessel. Kli sheni, and the soup plate soup bowl is going to be kli shlishi, the third vessel. So in third vessel, it doesn't matter. You can put breadcrumbs or whatever, these croutons or matzah on the bottom, and you can pour soup. There is no problem because it's a tertiary vessel, and you can add water. There is no problem. Because why? Because it's already cold. It's already cold. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.